tap it in with the hammer. So what you can do, if you don't have a press, I use some of this muscle grease. I pull in a Q-tip and run it around the inside of the base of it. And then I use some of this grease right here, right? And I mix that with the red grease, and I put on the Q-tip and put it inside. Then plus I wiped it around the whole bushing, and we're going to tap it inside the side. So make sure you line up the arrow. Make sure when you do this, you mark it. You mark it here, and then you line an arrow up with it. All right, and just tap it in with a hammer. Like I don't have it set, like bushing set, fit it. So we go. Just go ahead and tap it in with the hammer. That's about it. Take your time though. Go side to side. So what you want to do is you want to get it flush. See, I got this one flush here. You want to get it flush here. So let's give you one with a hammer. And a little more to go. Get it right here. Pretty much there. Here a little more, but we're gonna have it flush. And that's how you get that in there. That's how you install the bushing and the real trailer arm. All right, so make sure before you do it, use this wire brush first. Clean up with the wire brush. All right, the inside, and then use whatever penetration grease you can use. Penetration grease. Go around inside, go on the outside, and just knock it in with a hammer. Shouldn't be that bad though. We're gonna paint it also. Probably gotta go a little more here, but pretty much done. That's it. You flip it over, and bam, that's the inside. So that's how it's gonna look. You see how you see the red grease? That's because I lubed it before I put everything back in there. So everything is lubed up. So all we're gonna do now is paint it. Make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe for more content, and share the video. That's how you put in your bushing, your rear trailer arm bushing on your 1998 Honda Civic. Yeah, you're gonna beat up a little bit, don't worry about it, as long as you get it in. All right, as long as you mark it before you line it up with the arrow, the short side on the front, the long side on the back, and make sure you mark it for the arrow to line up. And that's it.